We're going to take 3.
3?
3, yeah. 3, like your age.
But I can do 3.
You can do 3, good girl. Welcome back to Minor Mike's Woodshop. This is just a quick update to let everyone know where I've been, what I've been doing. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, we've been a little busy here. I did have rotator cuff surgery back in October, which I thought I would be back into the shop in January. But life threw a little curveball. McKenna, we found out December 28th, had a Wilms tumor, which is a form of childhood kidney cancer. Her tumor grew out of her kidney and up her inferior vena cava, the main vein to the heart, and then we sit up, and on the tail end of it had a blood clot that was bouncing around in her heart. So they admitted us to the hospital, Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. They kept us there about a month.
It was fun.
I know, it was fun there, right?
Mm-hmm.
January 20th, she had surgery. She had they moved up the surgery. It's not really emergency, but they moved it up pretty quick from when they originally thought they were going to do it.
You like my tattoo?
And yeah, your tattoo, it's more of a sticker than a tattoo. So they did open heart surgery to clean the clot out, and they did a general surgeon, removed her kidney all, which was probably, I don't know, 6-hour ordeal, not knowing what was going on or seeing her. But, you know, luckily everything went well. She had chemo all the way through till June 24th, where that was our last chemo day. Then we did scans July 9th, which came back all good. So we are now in remission. So we are good to go. In that meantime, May, I had redone surgery for my shoulder because the anchor.
Which shoulder?
This one. The anchor had come out, so they went back in to reattach or put a new one in and finish repairing the tear. So I'm just about almost back to normal as far as
my
movement.
arm feels good.
I know your arm feels good,
I'm
but
strong.
yeah, I know you're strong, right? Oh, you're strong.
What about you, muscles?
Not real strong.
Let me see.
Nah.
Let me feel you move.
Oh, you want to feel more? Oh, yeah.
You are strong.
Oh, I'm strong. Okay.
And also big.
And the other thing is in March I was laid off from my job.
Whoa.
So
Dad, you feel me?
I know you're big muscles. So I am devoting all my time right now to being a full content creator. So hopefully you'll be seeing a lot more videos from my channel. And yeah, me. You want to be on my channel? Yeah, you want to do some stuff?
And show us my tattoo.
Show your tattoo, okay. We show your tattoo all the time. And so that's about it. Okay. If you guys want to follow, McKenna has her own Instagram. Every
you
Monday
want to go to my Instagram?
Yeah, your Instagram. The Marvelous McKenna.
Mine.
That's you, right? We try and do something every Monday.
And
We did hat Mondays while we were doing chemo because so many people generously donated hats. Thank you everyone who did donate a hat. It was much appreciated. So now we're gonna do hair Monday because Miss McKenna here is starting to get her hair back, and we're gonna, you know, so we try and do a little inspirational Monday, you know, spiel. And so if you want to check her out, follow her, you know, give her messages.
I feel it growing.
Yeah, it's growing. You feel your hair growing? You feel your hair growing. So I think that's about it for now. So
Bye.
I guess we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Mwah. Ah, yeah. Mwah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Let me do
Oh, you want to
it.
hit it? Okay, you hit it.